Alright, so here's 3 Ruud Achiever heat pumps at the place that we're staying at, or at the place that we're having Thanksgiving at. I forgot what this place is called. Let me see real quick. It doesn't matter anyways. But yeah, here's these units at this place. They're Ruud Achievers. I filmed these last year when I came here, but apparently the video never made it onto YouTube or something. And it's from 2003. It's a 5-ton. I think that might be the reversing valve. I don't think that one's been running. Here's this one. I believe they're all from 2003. Yeah, this one's the same. June of 2003, and you can see where the energy guide used to be. And here's a smaller one. Love these units. This one's a 3-ton from 2003. Yeah, I don't think any of these have been running, unfortunately. And here's 2 Daikin mini splits. These probably have been running. Inverters. But yeah, here's these 3 Ruuds. I was hoping at least one of these would be running, but oh well. Because it would be awesome to get one of these defrosting. So anyways, yeah, it's that style of GE motor. A lot of units from this era use that type of GE motor with the thicker tag. It looks like this one has an A.O. Smith or a replacement one. Probably a replacement motor. Alright. Line sets and such. Alright. Anyways, thank y'all for watching.